The paper MOBA, Bridging Cultures Through Competitive Play in a Globalized World, emphasizes how multiplayer online battle arena games serve as a significant manifestation of globalization by connecting players from all over the globe. It demonstrates how the rapid growth and widespread adoption of MOBAs, catalyzed by the success of games like Dota 2 and League of Legends, showcase the power of digital technology in a fostering a truly international gaming experience. These games transcend geographic, linguistic, and cultural barriers, offering a platform for players from diverse backgrounds to engage with one another and enjoy a shared competitive experience. The paper traces the historical development of MOBAs, starting from the roots of Defense of the Ancients, which was initially a modification for Warcraft 3. The genre's progression, largely driven by the advancements in the internet technology and digital marketing strategies, marked an important shift in how gaming is consumed, now a global, widely accessible phenomenon. Several core themes emerge in the paper that shed light on how MOBAs serve as a representation of globalization, each playing a critical role in the interconnectedness of modern society. One central aspect is the cultural exchange facilitated by these games, which blend global mythologies, histories, and folklore into gameplay experience. For instance, characters such as Wukong from League of Legends draw inspiration from Chinese mythological figures, while Mobile Legends incorporates characters like Kadita derived from Indonesian culture. This cultural integration helps players of all backgrounds see their traditions represented, but developers must tread carefully to avoid cultural stereotyping and misrepresentation. Beyond individual characters, the very essence of the games, competition, teamwork, and shared achievement resonates with players worldwide, breaking down cultural and linguistic boundaries. This cultural dialogue represents one of the most exciting aspects of MOBAs, making the digital world an inclusive, collective space where cultures coexist and interact through shared experiences. On the technological side, the paper emphasizes how advancements in internet infrastructure, mobile gaming technology, and streaming platforms have made MOBAs not only accessible but inclusive for players globally. As internet speeds improve worldwide, particularly in Asia and other developing regions, MOBAs began to see exponential growth. Mobile games like Mobile Legends have expanded this reach even further, bringing top-tier gameplay to players who lack access to high-end gaming PCs. Additionally, platforms like Twitch and YouTube have become integral in cultivating a global esports community by allowing fans to engage with live broadcasts of tournaments and follow competitive players and teams from across the world. Innovations such as AI assisted matchmaking, the increasing popularity of cloud gaming have made MOBAs even more inclusive by ensuring that players are matched with opponents of similar skill levels, regardless of location, effectively leveling the playing field. By democratizing access and providing avenues for players to compete and consume content globally, MOBAs showcase the inclusive power of digital technology. The economic implications of MOBAs, as discussed in the paper, highlight their status as significant economic drivers in the global digital economy. Esports tournaments such as the International or League of Legends World's Championship draw massive viewerships and offer substantial prize pools, often exceeding millions of dollars, funded by a mix of game publishers, in-game purchases, and player crowdfunding. This influx of capital from sponsors and advertisers further energizes the industry, creating not only wealth for the companies behind the games, but also a multitude of new career paths for players, coaches, analysts, content creators, and event organizers worldwide. The revenue generated from microtransactions, including cosmetic items, skins, drives developers and supports the global gaming ecosystem. With an ever-expanding market in emerging economies, especially in regions like Southeast Asia and Latin America, esports has provided a new realm of opportunity, creating income-generating avenues for individuals and business in sectors previously unexplored by the traditional economic framework. MOBAs as a genre also foster unique social connectivity. These games are inherently built on teamwork and cooperation, creating spaces where players must collaborate with others to achieve shared objectives. Through voice chat, in-game strategy coordination, and post-game analysis, players form online relationships that extend beyond the digital boundaries of a game. As the social dynamics evolve, communities are built not only within the game, but across external platforms like Reddit, Discord, and X, where players exchange strategies, share memes, discuss tournament outcomes. This transformation has allowed MOBAs to transcend the solitary nature of traditional gaming experiences, creating thriving and engaged communities centered around mutual respect and collaboration. Social media further amplifies this connectivity as influencers and content creators gain immense followings, shaping not only the gaming culture but also international fan bases that unite fans of similar teams, players, or franchises, creating a new form of entertainment that thrives in the digital ecosystem. However, despite these advances and successes, the paper identifies several challenges that MOBAs face in the context of globalization. One of the most significant obstacles is the dominance of certain regions, most notably South Korea and China, which have emerged as global powerhouses in the esports ecosystem. As these regions continue to maintain a competitive edge in both the development and performance aspects of MOBAs, emerging players from less developed regions face struggles related to lower infrastructure, poor internet access, and limited resources. As a result, the competition often becomes imbalanced, leading to economic and skill-based disparities between top-tier esports teams and these lesser established markets. Toxicity and harassment within the player communities represent another issue that detracts from the global inclusivity that MOBAs promote. While various anti-abuse measures such as real-time reporting systems and chat filters have been implemented, their efficiency is still debated, as players continue to report negative interactions with teammates and opponents alike. The paper also raises concerns regarding environmental sustainability in esports, pointing out the significant carbon footprint of large-scale gaming events and digital streaming platforms. As esports tournaments continue to grow in scale and visibility, in the infrastructure that supports them must adapt to minimize their impact on the environment. The esports industry will need to integrate more eco-friendly practices, from the use of renewable energy sources at major events to the digital distribution of content to reduce unnecessary resource consumption. In response to these challenges, the paper offers several recommendations such as improving access to gaming infrastructure in underserved region and fostering a truly inclusive and culturally diverse game environment. And in conclusion, MOBAs embody the core of globalization in modern entertainment. They serve as bridges that connect cultures, enable cross-regional collaboration, stimulate economic growth, and empower communities across the world as they continue to evolve. MOBAs present a prime opportunity for harnessing digital technologies to foster a truly globalized community, while addressing the challenges of accessibility, cultural representation, and sustainability. By embracing inclusivity, driving innovation, and making significant steps toward responsible environmental practices, MOBAs can continue to thrive as a global platform for play and collaboration, uniting people from every corner of the globe in the pursuit of shared experience. And for my message to our professor, I would like to express my utmost gratitude and appreciation for you, sir, in this subject, for keeping the on-site classes very interesting. And I've always looked forward to the on-site classes because it was not boring or repetitive. And for me, every class was very entertaining, and the topic always piques my interest. Although I am not good at expressing myself, I hope this short message would deliver my appreciation to you, sir. And thank you for this semester, and happy holidays. Thank you.